y'all already know how I get down, okay? Hi fairies, welcome back to my channel. It's Laurasia Andrea. So in this video today, it's going to be sponsored by MyFirstWigs. You guys know I work with them all the time, so it's just another video, just a different day, you know what I'm saying? Today's video, MyFirstWigs did send me a natural black wig today, and the point of this video is to show you guys this new product on me laying my wig down. Okay, so I found this drawing at the beauty supply store. I don't know if this product is new. I don't know if this product has been around for a minute and I'm just now finding out about it. But listen, I was obsessed. When I say obsessed with the Ebin Wonder Lace Bond lace spray, this spray honestly is my favorite spray at the moment. It's the only lace spray I've been picking up, either this one or the red can. I talk all about it in that video, so make sure you guys go and check it out if you want to know any details further. I'm going to be testing out their new lace holding gel, and I'm most likely going to be parting it with a lace spray as well. We'll just kind of see how everything goes down the line. So here is Lay Wig, and this is a super fine HD. I don't know if this is HD lace or it's transparent lace. You pretty much just might as well say it's HD because the lace is so thin. I went ahead and styled the wig. I like to pluck my wigs a little bit more, not even gonna lie to y'all. I also like to do a wider parting space and all that good stuff. So the wig, like I did say, it is a very fine transparent lace. I did go ahead and cut a few baby hairs and all that stuff. The wig did come pre-bleached, so I did not bleach the knots or anything, so I didn't have to do anything to it. This hair is 22 inches. I did go ahead and curl it off camera, and it also comes with an elastic band and wig combs. I am going to go ahead and smooth down my edges and my baby hairs. I just like to have all of this back. I do have a ton of extra hair on my forehead and all that stuff. The gel I've been using, I absolutely love this gel. I feel like it does such a good job with holding down 3C to 4A type of hair. It is called Gummy Plus Hair Gel, and it's like maximum and extreme hold. It's like not super gummy, but it's not super, like, I don't really know how to explain it. Like, it won't just fall out the jar, but it is pretty gummy looking, if you know what I mean. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that on this baby hair brush and just start to brush back my baby hairs. So moving on, I'm going to go ahead and use this Erica J medium brown lace hue. I'm just going to spray a good amount of this on the front. This is how the lace looks now. It is perfect. I'm gonna take this foundation powder. This is the Full Spectrum Matte Foundation Powder. It is in the color Tan Golden. This, I know this looks really light compared to me, but if you guys are more like a similar complexion as me that has a lot of neutral golden undertones, I like to go for something that is golden because when it oxidizes, it literally becomes like my complexion. I'm gonna take that on this flat brush like this and go like this and like this, like this. I'm gonna take that powder one more time, take that on a flat brush, and now I'm just going to make sure my part is a lot more realistic. And we're not done yet. Take that spray one more time and spray that part. You know, it just makes it a lot more, you know, just, you know. Okay, so lace melt time. I'm gonna take this glue. They did not have a bigger size of this. I tried to go back the other day to get a bigger size of the tube, but my beauty supply store only had the smaller one, and any other beauty supply store I've gone to has not had the bigger one. I'm gonna look on Amazon, see if I can find it on Amazon, because if I can, I'm gonna order me a bigger one if I like this as much as I think I am. I like to do a little test in the beginning to see just how much this stuff is really gonna stick and hold. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of that product, and I mean that's kind of, wow, that's a lot more than I wanted. Ooh. But I'm just gonna spread that product out. I put extremely too much. Oh my god. I'm just gonna blow dry it because just me mentally, I want to just see how long it's really going to take for the gel to dry on its own before I go ahead and experiment on my forehead. And we're just gonna sit and count. Okay, so it pretty much dried for like a good minute. This is gonna be my little test. I like to, like I said, always do this just to see. Oh wow, oh wow, oh man, I'm really tugging. Oh, so it's not lace glue. That is a definite, but I will say, you would have thought that this holding gel was lace glue because the way that this hold is, where's my makeup wipe? Because this is gonna irritate me with the stickiness. So I just took a makeup wipe, and as you guys can see, this product is coming right off. Do I have any stickiness? Pew pew. No, I don't. So far my review is pretty much, I love the tackiness of this product. I feel like a lot of other lace gels, I'm gonna do quotation marks because we all know another gel that we used to use on our lace fronts. They're just turning this game all the way the hell upside down, okay? So I'm now gonna take a good amount of that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's probably the only thing I don't like. It's the fact that it's so stringy. Do you guys see the string? Really runny. The struggle is real. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry for 30 seconds. I didn't put as thick of a layer as I did on the back of my hand. So I'm just gonna make sure that I check within 30 seconds to see just how much tackiness or just how much it's dried down. And then I will decide from there how long or not that I'm gonna go. I feel like it's pretty tacky enough to my liking, so I'm just gonna pull this lace forward, being careful. I like it here. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry. Alright, so I went ahead and did one layer on each side, and this side really did not lay down correctly. I don't know if because I have to cut the ear tab of the lace and all that. That's the first thing I'm going to do because I do want to go ahead and let it sit on the elastic band. So I'm just going to cut the ear tabs. So now it fits much better. My first thing that I can literally see is the residue. I don't really know if that's going to still be there when I spray on my lace spray from the red can. But I don't really know how I feel about that. I'm just going to start on this side, and I'm just going to spray a little bit of this spray onto the hairline. I'm just going to take my elastic band and I'm going to put that in between my baby hair and the lace. And now I'm just going to blow dry for 2 minutes on medium heat. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace and then do my baby hair, put my scarf on, and then I will come back with the final look. little bit of my foundation powder and just lightly powder around my edges. I didn't put any foundation on as far as like liquid foundation and highlight and all that stuff. This is pretty much how we're looking. I like the way that the ends look, like how this look, but I feel like as far as my little bump, I can do a little bit better, you know? I'm actually gonna take this whole entire section and redo the front, like all this. Like this part is perfect, like literally perfect. It's literally just the front part. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna take this brush. It's actually a heated rolling brush. I got this from Amazon. It's basically a heated rolling brush, and if I already went ahead and curled my hair, I'll just take this brush and just run it through and just kind of bump the ends, and voila. I'm gonna take this section and curl backwards, wrapping the hair around. I'm gonna take that again and just do the front, because I like my front to be like this. Take some hairspray and spray that. It's so cool. Like, I swear, I don't know if I'm like just super late to the game, because I know that they have a curl brush blow dryer. That I know that they have already, but as far as like a rolling brush heated iron like this, I've never seen anything like this, just to be honest. And it definitely doesn't burn my head and stuff. So this is how everything is looking. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my tug test, because y'all already know how I get down. Okay, I see you. And y'all know when I do my tug test, like your girl, I be pulling. Like, I'm seriously pulling. Okay, so just first impressions, just off bat with the holding gel. Let me grab it so you know I can do my closing and all that stuff. So my opinion, it's hard to say how this does just by itself, because you guys know my whole lace install routine, and I never just use one product. I usually use like a mixture of a whole bunch of different products, from this to this. I usually always already have a routine, and then if I find a new product, I will usually just like throw that into my already current routine, or just swap it out for something else. I do have pros and cons for this. I can say this is more for somebody that wants that super tight lace glue-esque hold without it actually being lace glue. I definitely, like I said, feel as though the hold on this is a lot more snug and a lot tighter as far as the feel on my hairline, compared to me just using both of the Wonderlace lace sprays. Another thing that is like pretty much a love or hate relationship is definitely the fact that it is very tacky. I do like the fact that it's super tacky, because I feel like that's what makes the lace hold so strong on my hairline. But at the same time, the tackiness can be a little bit much. I will definitely do a little bit of replays in this video, reminding you guys how sticky and how stringy and how all over the place this holding gel is. But if you guys don't really care about that, kind of like me, you know, if it comes to a point where I know I'm going to be sweating like crazy, I will most likely go ahead and do the holding gel install routine. But if it's somewhere that I know I'm going to be sweating just a little bit, it's not really going to be too hot, it's not going to be, you know, super crazy outside, then I will definitely just go ahead with my lace spray install routine. You guys pretty much already know how I feel about MyFirstWigs. I've been working with them since 2018. It's been a minute, I know. I feel the same way about their lace as I do in every single video that I do for them, hence of why I continue to work with them. Their lace is bomb. I mean, their lace is just phenomenal. I felt like in the beginning, when I first worked with MyFirstWigs about 5 years ago, their lace was still good, but because I was a beginner in lace and pretty much the whole world was a beginner in lace, I didn't really know the advances and how different laces stand out. And I can definitely say that I feel like the MyFirstWigs lace is not HD, but it looks HD. Like I said, I feel like the texture of their silky hair now in 2021 is a lot different than it it was in the previous years, because I feel like the texture of this is definitely a lot more like a thicker, yakkier texture. It's not necessarily kinky, yucky textured hair, but I can definitely say that it definitely has more of like a texture to it. So yeah, I'm so happy to be back, you guys. I know I took a little break because I've been traveling like crazy. You guys are gonna know all about it in my later videos, because I'm gonna be telling you all about where I've been. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys love my lace spray or lace glue or just hair products in general type of reviews. I feel like I'm just enlightening you guys on different products to try out, because products are always changing every single year, so it's always good to know what to look out for and what to try out instead of going and having to find out on your own. That's what I'm here for, okay? But like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much to My First Wigs for sponsoring this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.